Good morning on the day of on the life of a very lazy person. Today, right now it's 4 in the morning. I am going to plan my day. This is my planner. I have shown my husband is actually awake at 4 in the morning too. That is thank you to my right now 7 months dog. So I will just wait to wake up. I will paint these and do some planning here. Okay, I need to see what I will be doing today as a workout that I haven't been doing. So let's see. Purple. Is this purple? I think it's the purple. Let me see the blue. My gosh, the light is not helping. Oh, there is the blue. I want to see the difference. Yeah, that's purple. Purple. What do we have for today? You will think I memorize for now. You are wrong. Elliptical. And how many minutes? Oh, 10 minutes. 10 minutes of elliptical. I can do that. I'm using this stem, clear stem lawn fawn. They're really old. I think they have almost maybe 8 years at least. I don't know. If I find link, I will put, because some of them are out of circulation. And I will tell you, I have this one for workout, and at the same time I have another one that I really love, but the company went out of business. It was a company here in Seattle, and their stamps were beautiful. This is the Sweet Company. What is the workout one? No, here. This is the workout one. Very cute, but it has like a walking machine. That is what I use for my elliptical. So let's put that elliptical. Just beginning, and I need to do groceries. I don't know what I did. Now I will write a little about Chaser, and in that way during this day I will talk here in my planner what I see that happened with him, new things and everything. And there it is. I explained that he is loving to sleep in the back bedroom by his own. One thing that I am loving about him is like every time that I arrive, or once how to say, when I come to the back bedroom, or when I'm arriving, what he does is he lifts his right leg and kind of bend a little, and then he lifts his head and kind of close his eyes and look at us, or sometimes he bend his head like a submission sign to us. And he's having a lot of energy, way too much. Sometimes he drives us crazy. That's how it's going with him. Okay, I better finish getting ready. It is 4:10. Since I still have a few minutes, I've been working on my little project. This is the one that I got from my monthly subscription. This one I don't bring to work because I want to keep very neat and clean. So I work only when I am here. Okay, now I have the right thread. We will do again. I pass there. Go to the next. And then I got it. I got it. But I don't have time to do too much because it is already time for me to get my things together and go to work. So one more. And we'll leave these back on the box. I'm at work today without any excitement. Monday I came to work and my car died as soon as I arrived. They jumpstart my car and then I went to Le Schwab to check because my battery is only like a year and a half old and everything was okay. The only thing that they say is like you need to drive more. So yep, I need to drive more my car. Anyway, let's see how it goes today because also on Monday I have all the machines breaking, have to spend a long time fixing them, and this week they cut my hours, so I work only from 5 to 9:45. A friend got me this. She's a Hindi friend and she made a dessert for me to try and it's delicious. I think I will spend my 15 minutes just eating this. Work day is over and look at that. We got a little of sun. But my husband wanna go to the grocery, so I don't think we are going to walk. Plus, usually with all the moss and everything on the ground, it gets very slippery. We'll see. It is actually a beautiful day. I'm back and I took Chaser for a walk. I think instead of waste 10 minutes on elliptical, I prefer to wait extra time walking Chaser. Breathing this fresh air, and me and him need this workout. Every time that I pass here, it looks like it can be a place where somebody can hide. And it's weird. It's kind of spooky. It's a lot of vegetation. Come on, Chaser. Oh my gosh, he loves to sniff everything. Let's go. Mine will not have the flowers because all that we cut. Let's see how it goes. Chaser. Really? Let's go. Well, this is supposed to be usually my lunch, but since I'm not having lunch at work, I will eat that, and I have some of the leftovers of the cheesy cauliflower. Just in that way we finish. I don't even think I will eat all of that, but we need to clean these too, so that's it. So it's 4:37. I'm bringing, this is my little, it's like a travel planner thing that is just to put my list of expenses or when I see something to see the price. My water. There we have Chaser. Are you sleepy? Huh? He's getting so big. And I will get my other. There is my other project. Well, getting out of work and change of plans. I just was looking one of the papers that they give you in the church, and when I noticed that I didn't pay attention, and they keep saying in mass that they need a coordinator to work in church for that speak Spanish for the Spanish community, you know, for weddings, funerals, all that kind of things. It's a full-time position and it's an office position, so I will go to check. I don't know, it's something very different, but who knows. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm just leaving. I went and talked and I made questions that I had, and I don't know, it looks like really nice. The people is really nice. Of course it's church, and like they say, they work from 8 to 4 Monday to Thursday. Friday they go and work there but close the door, but they are very flexible. Like you can no go on Friday and work on Saturday, something like that, and just to work on all the papers and everything. And then what else? I was trying to remember. Oh yeah, and they say, well, we always try to go pray the rosary and participate of mass in the mornings when every day. So I love that, and we'll see. I have to fill an application online, and then they will see my application, and she say that she will talk with one of the persons that look for that, and let her know that talk with me. God, guide me, please. If this is what I need to do, I know I will be working again full time, but it's in an office, and it's the option is just, I'm not stuck doing the same and the same and the same, and I can help people. That's amazing. That's really amazing. So we will see. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I know I haven't vlogged all these days, and it's a lot going on. First, I think I showed you that I went to the church to see the option of a job there. I will say it's very tempting, but at the same time, I don't know. They are offering, like I said, payment, of course. I also know that they are now working with 401k, that I really work hard for that, and I would not want to stop collaborating to my 401k for the future. They also were telling me that the schedule is from 8 to 4, but in the position that I am applying, sometimes they have to coordinate weddings, and the previous lady used to also be part of all that was going on, and be on the time of the weddings and everything. And I have the feeling that that is because sometimes you don't have enough volunteers to help. They didn't say that. They said, oh, you have volunteers that can help you. But if she was going many times and everything, I'm guessing she didn't have so many volunteers for that part. And I will say, I don't want to be selfish or something, but not having your own freedom of do whatever you want all day. If you have a wedding, you have to go back and help in that part. Kind of, I think this job will be amazing if I was just beginning in this country like I did with the job that I have right now, and trying to balance what this job is right now is offering to what I have. I think I will have to stay on where I am, part-time, with a set schedule. And the good thing is, like, I know that when I go home, work is over. I don't have to go back and do anything anymore like I used to do when I was a supervisor. Also, I have my vacation that is practically 4 weeks of vacation that I can put on the days that I want, and I earned that, and I'm almost going to the 5th week if I stay 2 more years. What else? Of course, I have my 401k. That is, I send my 27% of my salary there. And the other thing is, like, I know that every year they increase my salary a tiny percent, but it does. The cuts are like the previous week they cut a lot my hours, that just because it's the lower season for them, so they cut the hours of the part-time. And I actually am lucky because they need me opening the store almost every day, that I didn't got the cut that other people got, that it was some part-time only got 12 hours. That's insane. So I don't know, I will continue with what I have right now and just see what happens, you know. We will see. That truck was so in my bag, like trying to make me hurry. But in this area you have a lot of cops, and you cannot be just rushing because somebody wants to go faster than you. Anyway, so that's the news. And the other thing is, like, with all that is happening in the Middle East, my brother is right now in Dubai and is having problems to get out of Dubai. All the planes are cancelled, but I think the government will be helping them so they can stay in hotels and everything, because it's so many days. I don't know, he went just to visit a friend and he's feeling uncomfortable because it's so many days, and he say they are very nice, but nobody wants to have somebody for so many days, you know. He feels uncomfortable about that. So those are the news. And I'm trying to keep communication and see how he's doing, because I think the American embassy was a strike on Dubai by some drones. I know that US is trying to help citizens to move, to get transportation to US, so that's a good thing. Anyway, today is Friday. I will try to make the best of today. Tomorrow I have my dentist, and I am not looking forward for that. Okay, let's go to work.